Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network. The use case is real. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. Anyways, folks, let's now get straight down to the point and let's see what's happening with QNT and the overall crypto landscape while we're at it. Look at this, folks. The market is recovering to a certain extent, although it is minimal. There are memes being created all over the place that people are 90% down, and when the market appreciates only 1%, we get happy. This is how the market is, folks. Anyways, the market has been choppy recently. You can see in the last 7 days, folks. BTC down 8.58%. Ethereum, for folks, it has taken a huge blow, 16.33%. You can see XRP over here. In the last 24 hours, though, it is in the green, up 3.38%, BNB 6.64%. Anyways, at the moment, if you look at the hourly chart and the 24-hour chart, we can see the market is recovering to a certain extent. Now let's see what's happening with QNT while we're at it. In the daily, folks, QNT is up 0.17%. The price is $76.88. But in the last 7 days, you can see the price has taken a hit, 9.50 down, and in the last month down 16.42%. Anyways, price is temporary. If a value and use case of a project is what is important, and if we look at the overall crypto landscape, folks, we can see that behind the scenes, institutions, regulators, governments, states, everyone is now involved in this industry, and these are the best times when it comes to fundamentals. We were in the Wild West era a few years ago, folks, but now things are changing, and it is really necessary for projects like XRP, projects like XDC, XLM, algo, and QNT to thrive, folks. The projects that we cover often. So you can see over here, just in Franklin Templeton files for a spot XRP ETF with CBO, Franklin Templeton. There was a really interesting post over here as well, which I wanted to share. I wanted to point out how regulations are getting stricter, as we're saying how compliance is getting stricter. Look at this. New Turkey tightens crypto regulations with rules for exchanges and investors, giving the Capital Markets Board full oversight over crypto platforms and stricter compliance requirements. Folks, this is bad news for the memes and the projects that do not go through that regulation, and those exchanges that are not compliant. Obviously, folks, things are changing, and after a lot of scams, after a lot of scandals, after so many incidents, this is high time that regulations take place. And you know who can thrive from these regulations? Yeah, you guessed it right, Quant Network. Look at this. The law on amendments to the Capital Markets Law number 7518, which amends various articles of the Capital Markets Law number 6362, was published in the Official Gazette, dated, you can see over here, 2/7/2024, and numbered 32590, and entered into force, basically. With the said regulation, crypto asset service providers were placed under the regulatory and supervisory authority of our board within the scope of the law. So trying to bring this industry under the microscope, under the scope of the law, it is necessary, folks. A lot of people say that you have to leave it totally decentralized, totally unchanged. Being decentralized is much different than being untamed, folks. You'd have to tame it. You have to put a leash on it to a certain extent that, real world utility can be provided, and services can be provided rather easily within the premises of the law, within the scope of the law, obviously, and people are not scammed, and a lot of different stuff. Look at this. Establishment, startup operations, and cessation of operations of crypto asset service providers. So this is really great, folks. As far as Quant is concerned, let me show you that how it can benefit, because folks, Quant now is trying to provide that actual use case, real world utility that we have theoretically have talked about for a while now. Everything is happening in practice now, folks, be it XRP, be it XLM. It is high time that mass adoption happens and real world utility takes over. And this is really important for this industry to be considered mature and to legitimize and build credibility of this industry. Look at this. This is Sebastian over here. QNT, Oracle, Retraced Global, an actual use case highlights 400% sales growth, 750% traffic increase in 2021, having the infrastructure, database, and blockchain application running on one platform made easier expansion possible. And folks, you can see that a major customer was helped to track cotton to the farmland, folks, using Retrace to track product from 500 farms in the first season of use. So these are some instances and glimpses that you can see. The capability of Quant and Oracle, Quant and Overledger is beyond our imaginations at this point, because it is trying to be that operating system of this industry, connecting legacy systems, traditional railways and gateways with the blockchain arena. Look at this. It's Oracle Container Engine for Kubernetes. Let's retrace to run multiple instances simultaneously, even when the application is getting hit with thousands of requests at once. Retaste's mission, what is it? Is to drive sustainable change in the fashion industry by enabling transparent cross-company collaboration. Their platform assists brands in defining traceability requirements. Awesome. Retraced, a participant in Oracle for Startups, chose Oracle for its blockchain and database infrastructure to ensure secure and transparent supply chain tracking. Folks, blockchain and these services, these platforms, and such as Quantnetwork and its associates, they all are being trusted because they are secure and transparent when it comes to anything, folks, from supply chain management to payments to anything else to real world asset tokenization. Everyone knows that it is immutable, everyone can see what's happening. So, with Oracle's technology and support, Retraced launched within 12 months, achieving 400% sales growth and a 750% traffic increase in 2021. Why is it relevant to Quant QNT, folks? Look at this. Remember, Quant Network is at the heart of Oracle's blockchain offerings. Look at this. Let me show you. Quant, Oracle, Overledger certified by Oracle. Retraced keeps ethical sourcing in fashion. Retraced uses Oracle Autonomous Database with blockchain and Oracle Cloud infrastructure to increase sustainability in the apparel industry. So it is trying to blockchain, and these platforms are trying to disrupt and provide use case to different segments in different sectors, folks, be it apparel or any other segment. And only one, imagine, folks, only these subcategories are worth so much. Imagine when everything goes digital and every segment uses blockchain. It's going to be huge. Look at this. Digitize and automate your fashion supply chain data collection now. So everything is going digital. Blockchain is the talk of the town. I mean, this is awesome. Tokenizer also came up with a really great post over here. Look at this. The key pillars to Oracle's blockchain roadmap. Standards like ISO TC307, Hyperledger backer of TC307, and SATP, partners like QNT for Oracle DA Foundation. Reminder, Oracle blockchain fintech clients already include, look at the names over here, folks, UK Finance, JPM, Citi, BIS, LA to alt, okay, LA, not LA, all tied to Overledger. Okay, awesome. Oracle blockchain roadmap, continuing innovation. Hyperledger community, OCI directions and requirements, standards, example ISO TC307, customers, partners, evolving Web3 world, and in the midst of it all, folks, you can see there is Quant, QNT. Look at this, BOE testing and implementing Overledger, Bank of England testing and implementing Overledger. Governments are being involved, folks, and these higher ups, these institutions, they're now getting interested in this industry, as we saw that Turkey is putting really strict measures, and it is trying to be as strict as ever in terms of regulations, in terms of compliance, and projects like Quant can benefit a lot from this. Look at this, Quant network, orchestrate API and programmability. Bank of England, the fourth oldest central bank, founded 1694. It cannot get any bigger than this, obviously, folks. It is in the heart of England. Basically, it is in the heart of the financial sector globally. Obviously, it is a brand. BIS, Project Rosalind, and Quant is providing these actual use cases, folks, to be honest. ISO TC68, ISO TC307. Digital currencies are being officially ISO standardized under a working group spearheaded by these two standards. The ISO TC68 Financial Services, ISO 20022 is the founder, ISO TC307 equals blockchain and the distributed ledger technology, DLT. Step 1 is creating vocabulary, in other words, legal definitions to universally understand digital currencies. As we know, Ripple has its respective ties to TC68 as a part of ISO 20022 RMG, and Quant's ties are all throughout ISO TC307. So both of them, financial structures, financial systems, the modern financial systems, which are here to change the game, with Gilbert being the founder. So one thing is for certain, folks. What is that? The concept and utility of digital currencies have now officially reached ISO level certification, and you can see that a handful of projects can claim that. Handful of projects are aiming for the stars, aiming for the moon, folks. They want to leave the stratosphere, folks. So Quant Network is one of them. Utility tokens, e-money, stablecoins, CBDC, you name it. Tokenized deposits, security tokens. And folks, these might be easy words to read, but these are all worth billions, trillions, obviously, folks. And even to a certain extent, a lot of people are saying that in the long haul, that the disruption that projects like XRP and QNT are, the disruption they're making, will be worth quadrillions, even, folks. The derivative market and a lot of different stuff. Call for participants, ISO TC68 and ISO TC307 joint working group. Digital currencies. A joint working group on digital currencies has been established between ISO TC68 and ISO TC307 under TC68 administration. So basically, this is a really great, a great merger, basically a connection being made. This is awesome, folks. So, folks, what do you guys think about Quant Network? Do you think that it indeed is providing actual use cases in real time? And what do you guys think about these stringent regulations taking place throughout the globe in the crypto arena? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.